Bought from HouseForce, and the main valve is running. It's leaking here. Look, as soon as you touch it, this is the only stopcock in the house, so we need to find another one. So we've had to come out the house because we need to find a main stopcock. And in urbanisations, you always find normally at an end, I'm not sure what end here, or there'll be an alleyway, looking for a water cabinet. And that's what we're going off to find. Okay, we found the water and we're looking for number 94, which is this one. So this is the mains from Aguamed. Turn them both off just in case. Mainly because if there's something wrong with this one and you go to play around in the house with the mains, this is your plan B. And very unlikely both of them will be broke. So as I say, this is what you're looking for, but a big cabinets like these. So yeah, here we go to fix it.